So good afternoon everyone. Hope you have attempted the quiz very well and you were able to complete the quiz, and we have kept the time short so that no one can cheat since it is an online medium. So now coming to discussing the answers for round 1. So we will be dealing with all the subjects. So here in this video we will be dealing only with the answers pertaining to the questions that were asked in National Quiz Competition 2020 round 1 for the category business laws. First question you had was related to assertion and reason. Assertion says a contract of sale may be absolute or conditional. Reason says there is no absolute condition for a contract of sale. So the correct answer is A is true but R is false. Now next question. Section dash of the Sales of Goods Act deals with the seller's lien. So this is a memory based question and it was simple answer. So the section 47 deals with it. The next question, a counter offer is, so the correct answer is a rejection of original offer. The next question, find the correct answer. The object of the following of allowing damages in the case of breach of contract is. The correct answer is to place the plaintiff so far as the money can do it in the same position with respect to damage as if the contract has been performed. Next question. A clause of one special voluntary retirement package stated in inter that once option is made, the employee making the offer cannot withdraw it. Section 5 of the Contract Act states that an acceptance may be revoked at any time before the communication of the acceptance is complete as against the acceptor, but not afterwards. Decide which of the following is true. From among all these statements, option B, which says the provisions of SVRP shall be enforced since it is statutory in nature, is correct. The next question, the questions of the insolvency of buyer under the Sales of Goods Act 1930 is of importance in connection with, so both A and B are correct. First, the seller's lien on the goods. B, the right of stoppage in transit. The next question, past consideration is valid in, so the correct answer is only in India. Now next question is also based on assertion and reason type questions. So assertion say a minor's contract cannot be ratified by him on attaining the age of maturity. A reason given is a ratification in law is treated as equivalent to a previous authority. So the correct answer is C. Both A and R true, but the reason is not correct explanation of A. Now next question, the communication of acceptance through telephone is regarded as complete when. The correct answer is acceptance becomes to the knowledge of the party proposing. Next question, a contract by which one party promises to save the other from the loss caused to him by the conduct of the promiser himself or by the conduct of any other person is called. The correct answer is contract of indemnity. The next question, in case of joint promise, generally a promisee can compel. So the correct answer is all of these, which says all the joint promises to perform, some of them to perform, or any of them to perform. Now next question, an agreement to sale creates the right is called right in personam. The next question, which one of the following is not correct? So the incorrect statement you need to find. So the incorrect statement is agreement influenced by coercion is void. Now another question, the leading case of Harvey versus Facey relates to which one of the following? So the correct answer is invitation to offer. The next question, which of the following is not a ground of frustration? The correct answer is commercial hardship. Now next question is easy. So you just have to tell if these statements which are given are correct or not. So promise plus consideration is equal to agreement. This is correct. Agreement plus enforceability is equal to contract. This is also correct. Proposal plus acceptance equals promise. This is also correct. So the correct answer will be all of the choices. The next question, death of a company is termed as. The correct answer is liquidation. Next question, who said contract is an agreement creating and defining obligations between the parties? So the correct answer is Salmond. The next question, a promissory note is. The correct answer is an unconditional promise to pay. Next question. Section 7 of the Partnership Act provides for, the correct answer is partnership at will. Next question. Which can be the subject matter of the contract of sale as per Section 6 of Sales Goods Act? The correct answer is existing goods owned or possessed by the owner or the future goods. Next question. A sold his laptop to B, but for some purpose A attained the laptop, retained the laptop with him. The laptop is stolen by C. In this case, the loss will fall on. So the correct answer is B. Which one of the following instruments have been excluded by the application of Section 137 of Transfer of Property Act? So the correct answer is shares and bills of exchange both. Next question. An agreement and restraint of trade in a partnership under Section 11 of the Act is, the correct answer is void. Next question. Sale is a transfer of ownership in exchange for a price paid or promised, or partly paid and partly promised. This definition refers to, so the correct answer is Section 54 of Transfer of Property Act. Now next question. When can a private company commence the business? So the correct answer is after obtaining the certificate of incorporation. Next question. Ordinarily on the drawings by the partners from the firm, which interest rate is charged? So the correct answer is 6% per annum. The next questions. Company which shares available on stock market are called? Correct answer is listed companies. Next question. Which of the following is a valid partnership? So the correct answer is partnership between one partnership firm and an individual. Next question. Under the provision of Transfer of Property Act 1882, the seller is duty bound to disclose. The correct answer is latent defects in the property. The next question. When the Sales of Goods Act became effective? The correct answer is 1st July 1930. The next question. If the consent of a party is caused by mistake, the contract is, the correct answer is void. Next question. The most important document of a company is, the correct answer is Memorandum of Association. Next question. Every promise and set of promises forming the consideration for each other is called, the correct answer is agreement. Now next question. Which of the following strikes only at a document and not transaction? The correct answer is Registration Act. Next question. A partner has a right to indemnity for the acts done. The correct answer is both, in the case where there is ordinary and proper conduct of the business and in cases of emergency. Next question. A sells his car to B. A has a right to recover the price of the car from B. This right is the correct answer is right in personam. Next question. In a contract for sales of goods by sample and description, it is necessary that, the correct answer is the bulk of goods shall correspond with the sample as well as the description. The next question. Parties to a bill of exchange are, the correct answer is all of these: drawer, drawee, pay. Next question. Which of the following in itself is not sufficient to constitute a partnership? The correct answer is the receipt by a person of a payment varying with the profits earned by the business.